Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how flexible the WordPress Quiz Maker plugin is when it comes to displaying quizzes in different layouts on your WordPress website. Here you can see I have beautifully displayed quizzes with images and with the links to the quizzes with the help of the Advanced Display Quizzes Addon and the Quiz Maker plugin. This is the image view shortcode of the Advanced Display Quizzes Addon. Here you can see the quizzes are displayed with images and with the links. When clicking on each of these links, we will be redirected to the page where the given quiz is located. So we can click and open any of the quizzes to check how it looks like. We click, for example, on this link. Here is the quiz. Let's pass it. And here is the result you get after the quiz completion. As you can see, you can not only create advanced quizzes with the Quiz Maker plugin, but you can also display the created quizzes in very beautiful layouts with the help of the Advanced Display Quizzes Addon. So let's go to our dashboard so I can show you how to create such an advanced view for your quizzes on your website. As you can see, I have already installed and activated both the Quiz Maker Pro version and the Advanced Display Quizzes add-on. I will surely leave the links to the Quiz Maker and the Advanced Display Quizzes add-on in the description of this video tutorial, so you can check the links and learn more about the plugin and the add-on. So let's go to the quizzes page. Here you can see I have already created all the quizzes that were displayed in the beautiful image layout in the first part of the video. For example, let's open any of the quizzes. Here is the quiz with its questions, description, and here is the image that was displayed for the layouts. Now let's check what shortcode is responsible for having such a great view for your quizzes on the front end, and for that we'll need to go to the general settings page and then shortcodes tab. Here are the shortcodes: table view, list view, and image view. As you can see, the add-on consists of three shortcode types: table view, via which you can display your quizzes in a table formatting on a front end, table layout. The second one is list view. You can display your quizzes in a list layout. And the third one is the image view, which I have already displayed in the first part of the video. You can display your quizzes in image layout. As you have already seen how the image view looks like on the front end, let's check how you can configure this shortcode. All you need to do is to copy the shortcode, then go to the posts, add a new post, or you can add a page if you want. Then you will need to paste the shortcode here. You can customize the shortcode and display either all quizzes or specific quizzes. You can provide IDs for the quizzes here. Also here you can choose the ordering, either descending or ascending, and you can choose the layout, either grid or a list. We have displayed the grid layout. In case of the list, the quizzes with their images and links will be displayed under one another. And after you do all the changes, you can publish the post, and you can see the image view on the front end. And here is the result we get after publishing our post. Then we can also check how the table view and list view work for the quizzes. So let's check the table view at first. With the help of this shortcode, you can display the quizzes on your website in a table formatting, in a table layout. The table will include the quiz title, pass and fail status, the score, and date columns. Here you can see you can order by ascending, descending, or random. And here you can see the add-on provides one more shortcode for the table view, that is the quizzes by categories. If you want to display the quizzes by their categories, you can choose this shortcode. Here either you can set all and display all quizzes, or you can set the method as category, and it will show all quizzes assigned to the given category. And if you have more than one categories, then you can enter the IDs here with commas. Also here you can choose the ordering, either descending, ascending, or random. So now let's check how the table view works on the front end. So we copy the shortcode, then head to the post, add a new one. Here we need to paste the shortcode, and we can remove this part as we don't need at the moment. And here we can write a title, for example, quiz table view, and publish our post. And here are the quizzes displayed in a table layout on the front end. Here you can see the quiz names, pass and fail status, score, points, and the date. Here you can also filter by score, by points, by date. So let's get back to our dashboard. And the next one is the list view, with the help of which you can display quizzes in a list on the front end. So you can use this shortcode if you want to display by categories, and if you want to display all quizzes, you can use this one. The settings are the same as in case of the table view. So let's just copy the shortcode, then head to the posts, add a new post, then paste the shortcode here. Again, we can remove this part, write a title, for example, quiz list display, and publish our post. Let's view it. And here are the quizzes displayed in a list view on the front end. The website visitors can click on any of these links and be redirected to the page where the given quiz is located. This will help them find their desired quizzes easier. So we are done with discussing all the three shortcodes that are provided by the Advanced Display Quizzes add-on to display quizzes in a list, table, and image view on the front end. And here you must pay attention to one important factor when using this add-on. Let's go to the given quiz and settings tab, and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the quiz display page URL option. If you want to use the add-on and display quiz in your desired layout on a front end, you will need to go to each of these quizzes, then settings tab, quiz display page URL option, and insert the URL of the given quiz, like the page where the given quiz shortcode is located, in this input. You will need to do this for each quiz one by one. So for example, if this is a health quiz, you will need to provide the link where the given health quiz shortcode is located. And if you, for example, want to show also the personality quiz in a layout, you will need to insert the page where the personality quiz shortcode is located in a personality quiz display page URL option. I guess this is the most important step when using the add-on and trying to display quizzes in different layouts on a front end, as if you don't do this for each quiz, then just the titles of the quizzes will be displayed in a layout and not the URLs. So that's all about displaying quizzes in different layouts on the front end with the help of the Advanced Display Quizzes add-on and the Quizmaker plugin. As you can see, the Quizmaker plugin with the add-on are so flexible in this term. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell not to miss further WordPress tips and tutorials. Bye bye!